Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome you all again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School Taif, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is Pakistan International School Taif virtual class for class second year students subject computer science, and today is our 27th lecture. Teacher name Imran Ahmed. Dear students, as you know that we were discussing the different operators used in C or C++. Today our topic is unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. Yesterday we discussed the ternary operator or conditional operator in very detail, and we also did the example as well in the CIDE. So ternary operator, keep in mind question mark and full colon. Whenever you will see question mark and full colon, your mind should be click. This one is ternary operator or conditional operator. Today, how can we recognize this is unary operator? There are different kinds of operator in C or C++ are used. How can we recognize this one is unary operator, this one is binary operator, and this one is ternary operator? So simple definition of unary, binary, and ternary operators are there are three types of operator in C++ used are unary, binary, and ternary operator. The operator, the operator that works on single operand. Operand means with the operator there should be two variable, three variable, one variable. So it means that plus is like minus x, like minus x. Minus is operator and x is operand. X plus y, plus is operator and x and y are operand. The operator that works on single operand, it means that those operator which works on the single variable is known as unary operator. Unary operators are, watch over here, minus is a unary operator. Minus is unary operator. Let's say x or 10. 10 is a constant and or x is a variable, and but we consider x is a positive variable plus x, and we skip the plus. We don't put the plus with any kind of variable, but if I use the x as a minus, so we should put the minus symbol before the x. So minus is a unary operator. Similarly, plus plus is also unary operator. It works on a single variable like plus plus y plus x. In the previous increment operator we did it in the example, or x plus plus. Watch over there, there is a single operand is used with this kind of operator. Similarly, minus minus is also a unary operator. And next one is logical not. Logical not, sign of exclamation means this one is not operator. Let's say not x, let's say the value of x is 1. So if I use the not x, so its value should be 0. So not is also a logical operator, and it is a unary operator. Some example of unary operator: a is equal to minus b. Watch over here, minus b, they put the minus symbol with the b. K plus plus, minus minus x, etc. These are called the unary operator. Next one, the operators that works on two operands or two variables are known as binary operator. Are known as binary operator. Binary operators are plus, multiply, slash, modulus operator or remainder operator. Slash, this is used for the remainder operator, and slash is used for the quotient, and modulus operator is percentage symbol is used for the remainder. And the logical operator and or. One logical operator not is a unary operator, but logical operator and is a binary operator, and or is also a binary operator. Some example of binary operators are a is equal to, watch over here, why I am saying plus is a binary operator. because around the plus there are two variables are used, B and C are used. Watch over here, steric is also a binary operator. Similarly, modulus is a binary operator. So slash or steric is also a binary operator. Next, third one, ternary operators. That operators which works on the two or more than two variable, they are called the ternary operators. Yesterday topic or the previous topic was our ternary operator or conditional operator. The conditional operator, which was the symbol of conditional operator is question mark and full colon, is known as ternary operator since it has three parts. It has three parts. Therefore, this is called, these are the three parts are as a condition and two expression. Three parts, in three parts there is one is condition and two other one is expression one and expression two. So total there are three parts in the conditional operator are used. The condition is evaluated and based on its result one of the two expression is executed. So in the ternary operator or conditional operator, yesterday we discussed it very detailed. Expressions are depend on the condition. If the condition becomes true, then the expression one will be executed. If the expression will be false, then if the condition becomes false, then the expression two will be executed. Next topic, order of precedence or operator priority. Excuse me. Order of precedence in mathematics, you called it operator's priority. It means that in an expression, in any expression, if the more than two operators are present, then which operator should be solved first? In the mathematics, you call this one is DEMAS rule. DEMAS rule. But over here in C++, we discuss many different operators over here. So the priority of operator is also changed in the C++ as well. So how can in an expression, if all operators are present, then which operator should be solved first? I will solve the example as well. So over here, the precedence or the priority of operator over here is in an expression, if multiplication, quotient and remainder are present, so it will solve the first. It will, its priority, you can say that its priority is first. Then plus minus will be solved. After that, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. It means that they are called the relational operator should be solved third position. Next, equality, equal and not equal sign should be at the fourth position will be solved. At the fifth position, logical not will be solved. At the sixth position, logical and will be solved. At the seventh position, in the priority or the precedence, logical or should be solved. And at the eighth position, equal sign assignment operator. This one is called the assignment operator. And this one is known as the binary assignment operator, plus equal, slash equal, modulus equal, plus equal, minus equal, up to so on. These are called the assignment operators. Most of the time in the class, when we have the class, I ask a simple question from the students, and their simple question is like this one: what should be the result of 7 plus 3 multiplied by 2? Most of the student at your level, most of the, not all students, some student give the proper answer, but most of the student did it wrong. Why? Because in this expression 7 plus 3 multiplied by 2, let's say if I solve this if I solve this expression, its result is 7 plus 3, 10. 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. One answer is 20. Another answer is 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 6 plus 13. So what will be the correct answer? 20 is the correct answer or 13 is the correct answer? Obviously 13 is the correct answer. Why? Because in the operator priority in the mathematics also, we must solve the multiplication first before the addition. So this is the simple example. How can we solve the expression over here? Now, another in mathematics, another thing is used parenthesis. If any operator have the less priority and you want to solve it at the first priority, what to do? Then we must put the parenthesis and include that operator or that expression between the parentheses. Let's say now in this case, what should be the answer? These are the two same expressions. 7 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Its answer is 13. Its answer is 13. But over here, check it. Now plus, keep in mind, parentheses are not an operator. Parentheses are not an operator, but they are used to increase the priority of. I was discussing that parentheses are not an operator, but they are used to increase the priority or precedence of any operator. Now, in this case, what will be the result? In this case, if I solve this expression, its result, correct result is 20. Why? Because 7 plus 3 is enclosed within a single parenthesis. Watch over here. So it's increase the priority of plus. So plus will be solved first before the multiplication. So in this case, its result should be 20. Now I will show you the example, how to solve this example. There are different examples are present and you will try to yourself and practice it well, because in long question and short question, most of the time I saw in the board papers, there are expressions or different kinds of expressions are present. If you know the priority and the operator precedence, you can solve this one very easily. So keep in mind the place and the position of operators. So first, second, third, up to so on. There are 8. Okay, I will show you the example now as well. Let's say we have this expression 7 multiplied by 10 minus 5% 3 multiplied by 4 plus 9 divided by 3. Now step by step, one by one. Not you will have to solve all at once. In each step, you will solve the one operator. Watch over here. Steric, modulus, and slash having the same priority. They should be solved first. Now what to do? Now question arises here. In single expression, the same priority operator is present. Now how to solve this one? Which operator should be solved first? Obviously, you will check left to right, which operator comes first. Over here in this expression, steric, modulus, and this one steric, and this one slash operator or quotient operator. Now, which operator should be solved first? This one is solved first, this one solved first, this one or that one. Now, in this case, you will check which operator will become at the left position. Which high priority operator is come at the left position. Obviously, this one is the leftmost. So first of all, I will solve this one as well. Now you will have to solve step by step. In each step, you will get the different marks. So 10 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70. Rest the expression is same. Rest the expression is same. In first step, I solve this operator. So 70 minus 5 modulus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 9 over 3. So these are solved the first. Now in the second case, now in the second step, which operator should be solved first? Now its turn. Because not minus, you will not solve the minus before the modulus or remainder operator, because its priority is higher than the minus. So minus we will solve at the next step, next coming steps. We will check if the steric or slash is present. First we will solve the modulus, steric and slash operator. Then we will solve the plus minus. Now in this case, what will be the answer? 5% 3. Keep in mind, division always produce, integer division in C++ always produce two results. Why I am saying the two result? One is for quotient and another one is for the remainder. So keep in mind this percentage operator is used for the remainder purpose. What will be the remainder? Of 5% 3, obviously you will divide 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 is higher, so simple division. So 3 ones are 3, 1 is quotient and 2 is remainder. I use the slash operator for the remainder purpose, so its answer will come 2. Rest the expression, watch over here, rest the expression is same. Multiply by 4 plus 9 slash 3. So next step, I will solve which operator? This steric is remaining, this slash is remaining, high priority operator. So in the next step, obviously I will solve the steric. Why steric is at the left position? Which operator, high priority operator at the left position? I will solve that expression first. So 70, so 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8, its answer is over here. So keep in mind, in each and every step, you will solve the one operator. If you will solve the two operator at the same position, you will be confused and your result will be different from the correct answer. So 70 minus 8, sorry, 2 multiplied by 4, result is 8. Rest expression is 3 plus 9 over 3 is same. Watch over here, plus 9 over 3 is same. Now, we have the expression is like this. 70 minus 8 plus 9 slash 3. Which operator should be solved? Now, slash operator have the higher priority. So in this case, I will solve the slash operator over here. So slash operator in the integer division. Watch over integer division. Why I'm using the word integer? Because integer don't have the floating point value, integer don't have the point or decimal point in the, so that's why 9 is integer, 3 is integer as well. And in the in the integer division, slash operator always give us the quotient value, not remainder value. For the remainder, percentage symbol is used, and for quotient, slash symbol is used, keep in mind. So in this step, I will have to solve this one, 9 slash 3. 3 threes are 9, remainder is 0, and quotient is 3. So slash operator give us the, if I put the percentage symbol over here, its result will be 0. Now, because over here slash symbol is used, its result is 3. It gives us the quotient result. 70 minus 8. Now expression is, we have the expression is this one. 70 minus 8 plus 3. Now, two operators having the same priority again at the next place. Now, which operator should be solved first? Minus will be solved first or plus will be solved first? Now, I told you before, you must check which operator is present at the left position. So you can say that same operator always be solved from the left to right justified, left to right justified. So minus is present at the left position. So 70 minus 8. 70 minus 8 is, answer is 62 plus 3 is written. Now we have only one operator left, 62 plus 3. Its answer is 65. Its answer is 65. So this is the way how to solve the expression. In this way, you can solve the expression in your in the paper or in the math. There is different examples are also present. It will ask and in the your exercise. So you will try to yourself to solve the expression and keep in mind the priority and the precedence. So I will repeat At the first precedence plus, steric, slash and modulus having the same priority operator. Steric, slash and modulus. After that, plus minus, after that, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, they are called the relational operator. Next one is equality operator and not equal to, they are called the equal and not equal symbol. At the fourth position, sign of explanation mark, at the, this one is the logical not operator at the fifth position. At the sixth position, at the sixth step, or in the same expression, if all the operators present, so you will keep in mind this is the precedent. Sixth position, and will be solved logical, and at the seventh position logical, or will be solved. At the eighth and the last position, assignment operator, not equal sign. This is called the assignment operator. This is the binary assignment operator. So slash equal, modulus equal, plus equal. Already we have discussed all of these operator in very detail. We spend the more time. Why we spend more time on the chapter 3? Because chapter 3 is the basics of the C++, and I will use all of these things in the coming few chapters. All of these things, for example, chapter number 4, I will use relational operator, plus minus, all of these operator I will use in the chapter 4. Similarly, all of these things, all of this concept I will use in the chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to so on. All of these are the basic. This one, if you understand all of this thing, so C++ will be easy for you. Keep in mind, language is the chain. If you skip any topic, you cannot do that properly. If you cannot do the programming properly. So from very beginning, I start you, although I knew you already studied the in class 10, C is very detailed, but in C++ few boys are the new one. That's why due to that, I will revise, and this one is the new topic for them, and we are discussing this one in that. Inshallah, next topic, or tomorrow we will discuss the next topic, expressions. What is the expression? Simply expression in C++. Okay, well, let's finish this one. Expression, and expression is a combination of constant, variable and operator. You can say that any statement is called the expression. Constant and the variable are the operands, and the operator tells the computer what type of action to perform on the operands. This is the definition of operator. There are three types of expression in C++. These are the arithmetic, like plus minus expression, like a is equal to plus k is equal to x plus y, this way arithmetic expression. Relational expression, like x is less than y, this one is called the relational expression. And compound and the logical expression. Compound, for example, x is less than y and y is greater than z, this one is compound. And the logical expression, x true and false, this one is called the logical expression. So this one is known as the expression. So you can say that any statement in C or C++ is known as the expression. An expression that contains constant, variable and arithmetic operator is called the arithmetic expression. For example, over here, watch, this one is known as the arithmetic expression. A, B and 2 are the operands, and plus are the arithmetic operator when it expression is evaluated. So the value store variable a, so these are the solving. Already we have discussed, this one is very detailed expression, this one is mathematical. So over here, this one is called the compound expression. Compound expression, if any program contains this kind of expression, this one is called the compound expression. And the relational expression, they didn't give us the relational expression. I give you the example, x is less than y, y is greater than z, like this kind of expression is known as the comparison expression or relational expression. Over here, your chapter number 3 is finished. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss in very detail exercise of this chapter. Till take care of yourself. Pray for me, pray for all Muslims. Allah Hafiz.